Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to Gaming Dubstep. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubuntu using VMware, that is VirtualBox. So let us go download Ubuntu first. I'll put the link in the description. Now when you go to the site, just click on download and it automatically starts downloading the file. And now we have to install Ubuntu using VirtualBox. So let's go download VirtualBox. I don't know the link, so let me just type download VirtualBox. Don't worry, I have put the link in the description. So I found the download link, and here we find something like the host OS. So mine is Windows, so I'll be downloading the Windows host. If you have some other OS, you just download that and follow the same steps as I do. So I'll put them on the download and I'll meet you once the download has finished. Now after the download is finished, let's just first install VirtualBox. So once the installation wizard opens, just click on next. And then next again. And then click on finish. And then the system might ask for a restart. If you want to do it now, you can do it now, or you can do it later. And after the installation is done, open VirtualBox and click on new. Here give the operating system name as Ubuntu and then click on next. The recommended memory for installing Ubuntu is 1024 MB, but I recommend you to keep it at 2048. Next, you have to select the hard disk. So you want to create the virtual hard disk, or you can use a virtual hard disk that is already there. That can be done here. And then click on next once you're done. Then just follow the steps that I do. In the allocation part, just let the option sit on the dynamic allocation so that it just goes and stores wherever it is. The recommended hard disk memory for installing Ubuntu is 10 GB, so it's better you give more so that you can install and store more files. After everything is done, what you have to do is click on Ubuntu and then on settings. Go to system, and here you see something like memory and all. So if you want to edit what you have given, you can do it here. In the processor section, you find something like cores. So you have to give at least 2 cores so that it works properly. And now in the storage section, what you have to do is click on the disk part and click on this disk to add the virtual drive and locate where the OS is sitting in your system. Usually if you download the OS, it will be in the downloads file. So here it goes, and I click open. And then I click on OK. Now you can start the OS either by double clicking on the Ubuntu file or just click on the start button over there. This screen just shows the bootloader of Ubuntu which is running virtually on your PC. Now in here it will ask you whether you want to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu on your virtual machine. So if you want to just try, and then if you like it, you want to install, you can go for try Ubuntu, or if you want to install it on your PC, you can go for install Ubuntu. So I'll be showing the installation part. Let me click on install Ubuntu. Now here you have to give your keyboard layout type. If you are not sure about what keyboard layout you are using, just go there and detect your keyboard layout. Now please note, do follow my steps properly. Here you have to give this as a normal installation. Please don't do anything else so that you won't end up crashing your operating system. And then click on continue. Now here also please make a note that you have to install it in the Ubuntu, and everything will be erased in that 30 GB or 20 GB which are allocated. Don't worry about the data that is on the disk, it will be safe. And here it will ask the place where you are. So I am in India, Bangalore, so I'll do this with the Bangalore. And then click on continue once you're done. And once there is a next screen pop up, you have to fill your details. So let us go with the channel name, Gaming Dubstep. You can give whatever you wish to. And create a password that is suitable for you. So I'll be doing 1234. It's your wish. And here you can select whether you want to log in automatically or password is required whenever you log in. I want to go with login automatically, so I'll go with the first option. And you can change your computer name as per your wish over here. And once you're done with this, click on continue. It'll take a quite time, like around 5 minutes or something, so you can just use other things, whatever you want to do, other tasks on your computer. So guys, if you don't know what VirtualBox is, it is a software that allows you to install any operating system on your PC virtually. That means that you don't need to go to BIOS every time you want to change your operating system. You can save it on your Windows or your Mac or your OS X or your Linux or your Solaris. And if you don't know what is Ubuntu, it is the software, I mean operating system that is GNU based and command line based. So the installation will take quite a bit time, so let us meet up after the installation is completed. So once the installation is completed, you need to click on restart now. So that's it in this video, guys. Thank you, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button and comment your views on the video.